How to fix the Outlast Trials crashing on Steam. As a first step, click on the search box and type in Device Manager. Here, click on Device Manager. After that, click on Display Adapters. Then choose your specific graphics card. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers. Then click on Close and close the windows. This method is not always sufficient. If the problem hasn't been solved yet, download the latest driver from the internet. Open a web browser and type in the model of your graphics card. In the description, you can find links to download drivers for all sorts of video cards. Download the driver. Once downloaded, start the installer. Click on the Agree and Install button. Log in if necessary. Then click on the Drivers section and click on Search for software updates. The software will find any updates. Then download the updates. After that, close the application and restart your computer. Try to start the game again. Now, if that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Graphics Settings. Click on Graphics Settings. Search for your game in the list. If you can't find the game you're looking for, use the Browse button to add the game's startup file. Choose the game and click on the Options button. Select High Performance Mode and then Save. You can now close the window. Start up your game library. Click on the library and search for the game. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Click on the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Wait until it finishes. When it's ready, click on the Browse button. Then right-click on the game application and click Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8 mode. Also, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. The Run this program as administrator option doesn't always work. If it's enabled, it might cause the game not to start, but try it anyway. I only recommend running in low resolution as a last resort, since it decreases quality. Click on Apply and OK. And finally, you're ready to play the game. If that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Updates. Click on Check for updates. If any updates are found, download them. Once the download finishes, restart your computer. Quick tip: if nothing worked for you and you're still getting bugs or errors, you should use Exit Lag. If you get it though my link, you get an extra discount, and since it's Black Friday week right now, it even stack for a bigger deal.